Bismillahi mina shaitan rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. maa ngi njëkk a nuyu son excellence monsieur le premier ministre waaye xam naa ne dinaa jéggalu parce que fooguma mun naa topp sa tànk ngir yaa ma gën a fasaa si olof bi kon su ma la toppee si olof bi rek dinaa def ay rëq-rëq su boobaa gaay di ma joxoñ kon nga baalal ma jël si làkki anglais bi with your permission, Your Excellency. The honorable ministers here present, the members of the diplomatic and consular corps here present. Let me also recognize the presence of the mayor of Banjul, senior government officials here present, service chiefs, the Executive Secretary and Deputy Executive Secretary of the Senegal Government Secretariat and their staff, including Pierre Nambai, Gambian businesses and their counterparts, the media, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. It is with great honor and immense pleasure that I stand before you today to officially open the second edition of the Gambia-Senegal Economic Trade and Investment Forum. This significant event taking place here in our beautiful capital city, Banjul, from the 19th to 20th of December 2024, symbolizes the enduring friendship, shared vision, and unwavering commitment of our two nations to deepen bilateral relations and foster mutual prosperity. Our two countries are bound not only by geographical proximity, but also by a deep historical and cultural connection. Through forums like this, we reinforce our commitment to harnessing the strength of our partnership to unlock new opportunities for our citizens. Today, we celebrate a platform that brings together policymakers, investors, entrepreneurs, and other key stakeholders to chart a path towards economic integration, trade promotion, and sustainable development. Your Excellency, distinguished participants, this forum is more than a symbol of unity. It is a practical mechanism to achieve shared goals, including enhancing trade and investment flows between the Gambia and Senegal by identifying synergies and removing barriers. And two, implementing the ECOWAS Protocol on free movement, enabling seamless collaboration in commerce, infrastructure, and people-to-people exchanges. And three, creating framework for joint economic initiatives in critical areas such as energy, transport, agriculture, and digital innovation. Therefore, the theme of this year's forum, harmonization of a friendlier business environment, could not be more fitting. A conducive environment is the bedrock of sustainable economic growth, and together we aim to create policies and practices that foster entrepreneurship, innovation, and cross-border collaboration through our state institutions. This year's forum's agenda addresses pivotal sectors central to our shared economic aspirations, including the development of special economic zones to attract investment, exploration of opportunities in energy, oil and gas, as well as agriculture and fisheries. The event will also strengthen transport, logistics, and maritime connectivity to facilitate trade while showcasing made in the Gambia and made in Senegal products, celebrating the creativity and industriousness of our people. It is the Gambia government position that the forum will lead to a stronger institutional collaboration between GAIPA and its counterpart APEX as state institutions responsible for the promotion of trade and investment. It will also expand trade and investment opportunities for businesses in both nations and facilitate a more robust business environment bolstered by knowledge sharing and best practices. As we embark on this journey, I encourage all participants to embrace the spirit of collaboration. Let us be more innovative in our approaches, resolute in our actions, and transition from creating contacts to contracts. I urge our private sector actors to seize the opportunities presented today and our public institutions to remain steadfast in creating the conditions necessary for an effective business environment between the two countries. Excellencies, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, let us harness the momentum of this event to build a future of shared prosperity for the Gambia and Senegal. Together we can transform challenges into opportunities, ideas into actions, and aspirations into achievements. With great optimism for what lies ahead, I now declare the second Gambia-Senegal Economic Trade and Investment Forum officially open. I sincerely thank GAIPA, APEX, the Gambia High Commission in Dakar, and all who contributed to making this forum a success. I thank you very much.